4 pounds.
Is this a bass?
Yeah, probably. Close. Probably 4. It's a bass. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah.
Put that on your YouTube.
Oh. Pretty simple plan today. It's hot as hell. See if they'll bite on a Cinco in the shaded cover. That's plan A, B, and C. Oh, damn, he spit it. He was a little guy though. Damn. I don't know how he spit that hook. Set it pretty good. Oop. Oh man, he flipped off right here on the bank. So you know what's crazy? I was moving that little worm and I saw, y'all see that weed in the water? I saw that weed in the water move. That guy wasn't very big either. He was funny looking. He was like a deep green. But you gotta, in fishing, man, you gotta pay attention, because not only did I see those bait fish jumping a second ago, I saw that little weed. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Look, this little weed that's hanging in the water that goes out about a foot or two. As I brought my worm closer, I saw that weed move a little bit. That's why I just stopped and let it sit on the bank. And then he just came over and smacked it. And he didn't hit it hard, but then I saw my line move, so I knew he had it. And I thought I set him good enough. But I guess that I did not. What in the world? Oh, bro, that's number 3. What is going on? That's 3 fish that I have just not hooked up with. What is happening? I mean, he hit that thing funny. He definitely had me out of position, but there's no reason he should have got off of that. What is happening right now? I don't think I've ever missed 3 fish hooked in a row. That was crazy. That looked like a drum. He just followed that thing right on up. He never bit it. And I couldn't see him until he was right in front of me. And there's like a school of little bayfish right here. That was so sick, dude. That's like 4 fish in a row now that I have missed. What is going on? Well, you talk about frustrating. Finally got one on the hook today and missed it, man. 4 fish in a row. I've set the hook on that flipped off. I don't know what I'm doing, but right now it's just not my time for some reason. That's okay. I'll keep coming back. Man, so I had an insult to injury yesterday. I told y'all my buddy fishes this lake, catches good bass. I'm still yet to catch a fish here, but I know they're good ones here. And then boom, in the afternoon, he like slaps 4 of them up on fish brain, all decent sized. I saw another young guy catch a 4-pounder out here same afternoon. Obviously, either I'm doing something wrong or they just weren't biting in the morning. Maybe I stirred them up for him and got them ready. But that kind of makes me antsy and, you know, want to get back over. So I got a quick minute. I'm popping back over here. I'm gonna see if I can catch them up. Man, we're gonna celebrate when we get a fish out of this lake, especially if it's a good one. So, oh, fingers crossed. Y'all send good vibes, man. Peace. Just keep on striking out at this lake, man. But I know the fish are here, so I'm going to keep on trying. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, don't get off. Come here. Come here. Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah. That's a good bass, dude. Whoo, hoo, 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 hoo. Solid, boy. Okay, well, he was close to 4. We'll take it. I'm not quite sure why he's light, because, man, he is a solid chunk. He's a little, I guess he's a little thin, but he's long, and he is built well. All right, we know they're here, man. We can celebrate. My goodness. There's a big turtle there. All right, dude. He just took off. Man, we finally got us one here, man. It's a celebration, y'all. Let's go sneak up on him. You mind if I throw over this way? How the hell did you get out there? Did you create this trail? Got your little wellies on? Get up on the bridge. Y'all get a good look at him. There he is. He says, he claims he caught a 4-pound, 11-ounce fish out here. Oh yeah. You're right though, it's tough to see.
Yeah. I'll send you a picture when I get where I can do it.
Yeah, text it to me.
And the deal looks stinky.
God, dog, it got good too. You have got to be kidding me. Be mindful when I'm fishing around these damn tall weeds. I'll go sit in the shade for a little bit, see if I can figure it out. Watch you catch some fish.
Going to the hoop, Moose.
Well, guys, he really showed me how it's done. Old man 1 plus 1 before I got here.
And the broken reel.
Me 0 and a bird's nest from hell. God,
Put that on your YouTube.
A decent one. If you come off, I'm done. Oh damn, you threw my trailer, man. finally. Fish on the bank. Don't go back and tell your friends. Tell them that jig is yummy. Guys, almost removed it. He's fighting with disaster over there. Oh, there he went. Much better, if I must say so myself. Oh, that's a good one, I think. Uh-oh. Oh, not as big as I thought, but he's decent. Oh, calm down, dude. Not bad. Well, they're biting. Probably 2.5, 2.8 maybe. Maybe. On the dot. Good fish though. It's pretty. Solid. Hooked up with him well. All right, guy. See you, man. That was a big boy. And he was about to hit it, then he saw me. Man, so I don't know if y'all will be able to see it on the camera, but that dude was, I mean, he was north of 5 pounds for sure. He was a big fish. And that hurts because, I mean, obviously that's what I'm here for. And he chased it. He came up. Like I said, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I could see it clear as day with my eyes. I didn't even have my glasses on or anything. He flashed, and then I got to see his whole body as he came to the top of the water. And then I don't know if he saw me or if he just saw something he didn't like in the bait, and he just turned. Instead of hitting it, he turned, flipped his tail around, and swam off. So, this close, man. I'm gonna pitch, throw back in there a little bit. I'm gonna swim this jig past him a few more times and see if I can get him to bite, because he's one you want. Oh, he just picked it up. It's not bad. My bad, dude. It's a little longer. It's funny shaped. He's probably gonna dip out the same weight. Guess it was just pulling funny. Yeah. 254, 2.5. Solid fish, man. I put a hole in his lip, dude. I am sorry. I thought you were that fish I saw earlier. See you, man. Oh, wait, that's a fish. Oh. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a good bass. No, 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 no. Calm down. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Don't you get off. Don't you get off. Don't you get off. No, calm down. Oh, no, no. Nice. Oh. Thank you. Would you take a picture?
4 pounds.
哎，给他照个相。
Yes.
他说你给他照个相。
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you.
Great job. Good.
举高一点。
Like this?
Oh yes.
哎，看热闹。对。
Thank you so much.
4 pounds.
It's a bass?
Yeah, probably. Close. Probably 4. It's a bass.
称嘞，他还
How many pounds?
Just under 4.
under 4.
375. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So close to 4.
In this lake, in this.
Oh, I've caught a couple here.
Always think only catfish.
No, there's some good bass in there for sure. Let's get you back, my dude.